Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate using Milo. To begin, gather your ingredients: Milo powder, condensed milk, and butter. You'll need approximately 1 cup of Milo and about half a cup of condensed milk. For the butter, around 2 tablespoons will be perfect to help achieve that smooth, rich texture we're looking for. Make sure everything is ready before you start mixing. Now, let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1 cup of Milo powder with a half cup of condensed milk. Stir these 2 ingredients together really well until you have a thick, consistent paste. Next, gently fold in the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. This step is crucial for achieving a smoother, more pliable chocolate mixture that's easy to work with. With your mixture ready, it's time to shape your chocolate. You can press it into a mold, like a small baking dish lined with parchment paper, or simply roll it into individual balls. The parchment paper is a great trick for easy removal later. Once shaped, place your chocolate into the refrigerator. It needs to chill for at least 2 hours to become firm and perfectly set. After at least 2 hours of chilling, your homemade Milo chocolate is ready. Carefully remove it from the refrigerator and, if using a mold, cut it into your desired pieces. This treat is wonderfully rich and satisfying. Any leftover chocolate can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature or in the fridge for a few days. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.